Okay, greetings everyone. Welcome to Gerard Black in the Philippines with the truth. I'm going to welcome you to my channel. I want to welcome all my subscribers, my new subscribers, my hey, let me check this dude out, all my scallywags, all my peaches, triggers, haters, lovers, and commenters. Each one of you are important to my YouTube experience here on YouTube. Well, today is every day is a special day here in the Philippines. But right now we are in Valencia. On Sunday, Valencia has the market. I've had it on the show before to show you all the different things you can buy, everything. But it just so happens that a family member it also has a booth here, and Ed's his name, and he's going to tell you about the product he has. Go ahead, Ed.
Hi, good morning. I have with my good friend Gerard, and he's the husband of my beautiful cousin. He's now pregnant, Ate Mia. And what we have right now here is our own product, which is the Filipino delicacy, which is known as palabok, and then our own home baking products, which is...
Let's see.
Oh, gonna grab one product here. Okay, this is banana muffin. I just baked it on my own, so I should consider myself as a home baker. And
He's selling it short.
Yep.
I want to show you.
It's gonna broke it.
That's okay. You can handle it.
Show the wrapping in it. How it's wrapped. Because sometimes it's not just about what it tastes like, it's also about how it's displayed. Look at these products. Look at this. Look at these products here. And he explained to me that most of the vendors here all have specialty items. That this is his specialty items. So how long have you had the booth here?
Like, it's just about, like, I must say, I just started for like 3 months ago, and I just made, you know, some kind of experiment about trying to create my own ingredients, not trying to stick with the traditional one, but I'm trying to have my own trademark. So this is what I come up with, and looking forward to have a better result.
So let me ask you. Why baking? You know, what made you get into baking and want to bake cakes, as opposed to raising pigs?
Yeah. So it's way different to what I'm doing. I'm a freelancer, so I work from home, and it seems like it's somehow like out of my comfort zone. I've been into computers all day long, so what I did, I tried to switch to the, you know, I'm working at the same time, as you can see. So I tried to divert my kind of passion, which is not just with freelancing, but also trying to out of my comfort zone. This is something that exercise my mental health, not just being obsessed with the digital or with the technology. This is something that you can really exercise your body, and at the same time you can also improve not just your skills.
Well, you know, a lot of people, famous people, wealthy people, find baking to be a very relaxing distraction from what it is that they do on a day-to-day. So you're on the right track if you want to have something to take away from what you normally do. But I also want to point out that Ed is one hell of a singer. Oh my God. I got video of him singing. I wish I could post it, but if I post it, I won't get monetized. But he has a terrific voice. In fact, he was critiquing an artist who I was showing him and everything, which is fine, but he's a good singer. So tell us about your family. You're married, yeah?
Yeah, so we have 2 kids, and right now they're in school. So as of this time, this is what I'm doing, especially during weekends, doing the business here just for Sunday. But most of my weekdays, I work as a freelance or as a freelancer. But that's how it goes on a daily basis.
Where's your wife and Angela?
I guess they're on the couch taking their lunch. They're hungry.
Okay.
I'm on diet.
So am I. I guess they kind of knew I was going to pull them in on the camera, so they dashed.
Yeah.
But I want to also say is that, you know, while sitting here, there was a guy who came by, a black guy, and I said, "What's up, black man?" And he was like, "Wow, I know you." His name was Kwame, and so here's Kwame here. Put a picture of him here, and he has said that that it's very rare that black men say hello to other black men. So he was very grateful that I shouted out to him. So and you hear, when do you hear with your special case?
Every Sunday. So we're just only allowed for half day of every Sunday. So we start usually at 6 up until the 12. And you can catch us here just near the church. So if you want to have some sort of orders, you can just contact me here in our stall, and yeah, we can talk about it.
So where do you see your baking business growing to? I mean, are you gonna have a website where you sell your cakes, or what? What's your goal?
It is still in the process, as I just started, and I am very overwhelmed with all the with their compliments, with the customers, that they really like it. Like,
I think you might have a customer.
No.
Yes.
Sir, do you need some help?
Well, I just lost my housekeeper that was with me, and I bought a pie and I told her to put it in her purse, and I thought she went to get a bag and she disappeared.
Oh,
Wow.
I look like an old man needs help. Huh?
Yeah. No, you like an old man who lost a Filipina. Okay.
There she is.
Okay.
Hi
Good.
there.
I'm glad that-
I think I just stay where I was.
That's the best way to do it. That's the best way to do
I didn't
it.
bring my cell phone, so
Yeah.
I better just stay where I am.
Like Holly Simon said, they'll be coming around again. Okay,
So right now I'm still building my website. I know I just started with this kind of field, and soon I'll be posting my website and my Facebook page.
Okay.
So it'll be easier for me to contact.
give them your Facebook page and information.
You can just search me with my Facebook account, Ed Galon, and I'll just I'll just include it in the link for Gerard's
Those are,
video.
sir, those are very, very good.
Yeah,
Very
this
good. I
banana
recommend you
muffin.
try one of those.
Banana muffins?
Yes,
Yes.
yes. With walnut.
Now I know when you first were going to school, your mama taught you. She said, when you go to school, be nice and don't tease the fat boy. Hey, fat boy, you want some muffins? Come here, my fat boy. Here, want some muffins? Don't tease the fat boy. Be nice.
Sounds like good advice.
Yep. Thank you so much.
So you tell us about your website on how you can be reached.
Okay, so I'll be posting it very soon, probably right after this interview. I am still in the process of building it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but as of right now, customers or people can reach me through my own Facebook account, and I am still also in the process of making my own
Which
page.
is? Do you want to give out your Facebook?
Yeah, so
Okay.
that would be Seth Ed Agut Galon, and
Spell it. Ed.
yeah, SEPH, and then the second word would be just the ED, and then last name is Galon, GALON. Yeah, you can shoot me a message.
Now, what is your day job? I mean, what is you doing? You work on a computer. What do you do?
I do 2 jobs at a time. Like I do one in the evening and then one in the morning. That's my daily routine.
Okay.
But
Because a lot of people find work on the computer.
Yep.
Whether they're teaching or whether they're doing something or doing something on the computer. And you found something. So what is it you do?
Well, like a typical virtual assistant do.
Okay.
We have, yes sir, how can we help you? Okay, so this is banana muffin. So I just
I don't want to block the business. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah. Just a normal virtual assistant, helping our CEO with the daily tasks. And we are somehow dealing with like the monthly rentals. That's what we usually tackle on a daily basis in my daily job. So after that, we also have some hotel reservations. So those are just my tasks that I usually do. But more often, I search like, or I do some sort of marketing with my business if I have some spare time.
Right.
And that's the way I relax my mind from my day-to-day job.
Okay. Okay, my last question to you, Ed, before I let you go. What advice would you give someone about following their dream and their goal?
It's really hard to follow what your heart desires. But the good thing about you as a person, you have to start, or you have to act now before it's too late. You know, if you have a goal, if you have a dream, work for it. It's a work in progress. Nothing to worry about, because failure would make us better.
Okay, and we're just joined by Mario. Mario also has a business here. Mario is also a baker. Yeah, he's a German baker. In fact, I just bought a big cake from him and the pretzels and all this. Plus, we go to the beach every now and then together. So, Mario, you made it, huh? Okay, so he's eating, and I'm about ready to sign off. So, come to Valencia on Sunday. You got two bakers, both in two different lanes, but you know, we wish them both luck. Remember, you're watching Gerard Black on the Philippines with the truth. Dreams are nothing more.
We have stopped. Stefan and me, we have stopped. The red table, I think the class 2018.
Oh, you started 2018?
Yeah.
Wow, it's been a long time.
No people for sausage or hamburger, nothing special.
Nothing.
Only plus here this fixed table.
Oh, wow. So you're one of the original gangsters here in
Now,
Valencia.
we have many people with cake,
Right.
and anything.
Right.
Coming more. I know
As you
this.
can see, he found his housekeeper.
Okay.
Glad you found your housekeeper, old man.
He found me. I just stood there.
Yeah, that's a smart thing to do. Okay, Mario, hold on a second. Okay, so, okay, Mario, I'll see you over there. I'm gonna pick up my stuff from you. Okay, it's still over there.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice Sunday.
Okay, thank
Good
you.
people.
Okay, dreams are nothing more than plans and waiting action. Never disrespect the elder or pull someone up. And sometimes you only want to see a vision. This is the wife. Come here, Angela. I've already talked about you, Angela. Come here, Angela. This is Angela. Angela, come on my side. Come on my side. This is Angela. She is 14 years old. She's a student. She's in 8th grade. And she loves her favorite subject is math. You see how much you learn about people when you talk to them? Right, Angela? Okay, if you're lucky enough to have a woman like Ollie Woodson, former lead singer of Temptation with some, treat him like a lady. And ladies, if you're lucky enough to have a good man like us, make us feel like a king. And what? Never say no. Okay? Okay. We'll always let people want to thank me on the camera. Let's throw him a kiss. Wait, come here. Let's throw him a kiss. Come here, Angela. Come here. Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ciao.